4 power log x to the base 2 minus 4x plus 9 power log y to the base 3 minus 16y plus 68 is equal to 0. Very nice. 4 power log is 2 square for log x to the base 2 minus 4x plus 9 power log y to the base 3. I'm going to write 9 as 3 square minus 16y plus 68 is equal to 0. This is 2 log to the base 2 of x square. This is 3 log to the base 3 of y square. 3 power log of y square to the base 3 is y square. And so a power log b to the base a is b. We take log on both sides. Log b to the base a log a is log b. Log b to the base a is log b by log a. That works. So the very definition of log, a power log b to the base a is b. So this, if you plug here, this expression becomes this idea. Hang on to that. Super powerful, very useful. You need to keep that in our head. This expression, which has become this, will now become x square minus 4x plus y square minus 16y plus 68 equal to 0. The moment I see this delightful equation, I'm thinking, hey, completion of squares, here I come. So we say, hey, x square minus 4x plus something plus y square minus 16y plus something equals this something plus something minus 68. Why did I put minus 68? 68 I'm taking that side. Why did I put plus something because I want to complete the square. X square minus 4x plus 4 y square minus 16y plus 64 y 64 because this will now become x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 68 minus 68, 0. I was hoping it will be 0 because then it gives us a beautiful unique solution. This tells us x is 2, y is 8, nothing else is possible. We want to find y minus x, 8 minus 2, 6. Done.